This is Dabu 7. And what you've witnessed right there is what they're saying is the largest fireball to ever strike over the UK here. See, it fades out about right there. Try to slow it down. See, it's pretty bright. I'll leave links so you guys can check out their live feeds. They update 36 seconds, constantly refreshing here. And this is footage from the Norman Lockyer Observatory that caught this. So I'll leave a link in the description box as always. But they have confirmed that this was probably the largest event of its kind in the UK. So, till next time, this has been Dabu 7. Eyes to the skies.